Good, almost done. Okay. There's a little high spot here. Yeah. Right here. There's a little high spot here. Good. So we need to keep this smooth. Good job. A little high spot here. Smooth that edge out right here. Good job. Okay, right here. Here, let me see that. Here. Good job. Thank you for helping me. There. Now do this and smear it flat. Okay? Go ahead.
Okay.
Thank you for helping. Yeah. Then we'll put more Gold Path fines on, so it's all a uniform color, and we'll just build this up until the gophers get sick of chewing up our stuff, okay? So I'm gonna come by with the water once you say it's flat, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Okay, let's go return the shovel now. Do you know where the shovel came from? Yeah, let's go put it back. So safely, I don't think that's the safest way to hold the shovel. How do you hold it? The way you came back, yeah. Let's put the shovel back, yeah. Good, now climb up there. Don't avoid tripping on the hose, okay? Make sure, because we have some snakes in the garden, so be careful, okay? Yeah.
Snake?
Yeah. Good. All right, cool. So now, right here, this is where we put the shovel until we're done remodeling the front yard, okay? There, that's good. Now let's take the hose
And you water it.
and then spray it. Yeah, but we'll do it on the low. Oh, no running. It hurts if you fall on this. We're gonna do another whatchamacallit, layer of Gold Path fine later, okay? Cool. So now we'll just do the hose and we'll be done. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Turn it the other way. Turn it towards you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here. Let's go like this. A little bit more. Yeah. Spray. Don't spray the wood. Yeah. Not so much. Not so much. You'll flood it. Yeah. And it will run. Okay. A little softer. A little softer. Good job.